Hello everyone, welcome back to Electronic Labs. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to build a very simple project, but this is going to be very fun, and we're going to use Arduino UNO and a Joystick Module and 0.96-inch OLED display. So the joystick is the combination of a 2 potentiometer and 1 dance switch, and this we build up with a mechanism, and then we have the output. So the ground, 5V, and X-axis and a Y-axis and a switch. So the mechanism bus, they we control left and right. So once we push this part, then the resistor value will change, and left and right and up and down. So if you want to know the detail of how it works, you can check the video link on this description. So here's the knob. And OLED display, this is 0.96-inch OLED display. This we display, you can display a character, or you can display like like the block, or like the snake, the picture, anything. This is display. So of course this is Arduino. You're going to be very familiar with the Arduino, and we will use a few jumper wire. So this joystick we require to have a 5V VCC, and OLED display also we need a VCC and a ground. So all this we're going to take the power from Arduino. So Arduino, they will produce a 5V from here, so we get a 5V here. So one 5V input, then we distribute to 2 here, which will be one for this 5V joystick, and the VCC of OLED display, and the ground also we're gonna take from here. This is the ground, so make sure you use jumper wire, make sure the connection, everything is in the correct position. Here's a 5V, here's a ground, and the ground we connect to the ground here, the ground. All right, so the power connection is already complete. This is SCL and SDL. SDA we connect to digital pin number 4. CL we connect to digital pin number 5. For this is a serial clock and a serial data. And a VRX axis we connect to A0 of Arduino here, and Y-axis we connect to A1, and switch we connect to digital pin number 2. Oh, you must be very careful which cable is connected to which pins. So white is the blue color is X, so this is 0, and purple color is Y is 1, and the switch is the white color, so this is pin number 0, 1, 2. So the connection, everything is complete right here, and we're going to upload the code. And this is a very simple code that we're going to use the block game. And of course here's Arduino UNO and a COM, and we just upload the code. Done upload. Let us catch. So this block character, we catch this ball here, and so up and down. Okay, 1, 2, 3, okay, 4. So here is your score. Oops, that's the connection. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, so this is how you can play around with your joystick and OLED display. So, and if we upload the other code, which is the snake game, and let me upload that game of the code. Okay, so done upload here. Here's the snake here. So here's game over. So press. Here's the snake here. I have one snake here. Oh, game over. Alright.